So, gold just had its worst day in more than 10 years. Yeah, that's how we're starting the week. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, October 22nd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. All right, let's get started. Gold prices tumbled as much as 5.5% on Tuesday, dropping to just above 4,100 per ounce. That's the steepest one-day fall in 12 years. Silver joined the slide, down more than 7%. The sharp move came as trade tensions between Washington and Beijing cooled off. The US dollar strengthened, and technical traders decided the metals had just gone way too far, too fast. But it wasn't all bad news out there. The Dow hit another record high, up about 0.5%, boosted by some strong earnings reports. The Standard & Poor's 500 was pretty much flat, while the Nasdaq slipped just 0.1%. Big-name companies kept earnings season rolling. General Motors jumped after raising its full-year profit outlook, and Coca-Cola and 3M both popped on better-than-expected results. Now, one of the biggest stories of the day came from OpenAI. The company officially launched ChatGPT Atlas, a new AI-powered web browser. Think of it as part Google, part assistant. It can summarize pages, remember your preferences, and even perform tasks like booking flights or editing documents on its own. Experts called it a major leap toward more autonomous web use. As for tech earnings, Netflix released its third quarter results after the bell. Revenue rose 17.2% to $11.5 billion, but earnings per share came in a bit light, and shares dropped more than 7% in after-hours trading. Texas Instruments also reported strong growth in the third quarter, but cautious guidance for the next one. The stock slipped around 5% after hours. So yeah, between gold's historic crash, AI's latest leap, and mixed earnings from the tech world, it was a pretty packed day on Wall Street. All right, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.